Say goodbye to that plain white wall for this holiday season. I have the perfect craft for you and your little ones during the holidays. With the help of Pro 714 painter's tape, UGlu strips, and UGlu dashes, we're going to create a fringe Christmas tree backdrop for your little one's pictures. Use Pro 714 as the first layer in order to protect your walls from any damage. Then use your UGlu strips to adhere your fringe to the wall. Your first layer is going to determine the size of your tree. As you continue to build your tree, every layer will get a little bit smaller by about 1 inch on each side. Once you've placed your first layer, I recommend pre-cutting every other layer so that it's easier for you to apply. Repeat the previous steps by adding your Pro 714 first and then your UGlu strips. For our Christmas tree, we used about 7 layers all the way up until we got to the topper. For our topper, we used an 18-inch red foil balloon star, but you can feel free to use whatever star you have on hand. After this, it's all decorating from there. We use our UGlu dashes to set all of our decorations in place. You can find a variety of decorations to apply to your tree at various stores for very inexpensive prices. I use this cute little pom-pom garland to crisscross all the way down the tree. And then to finish it off, I found these cute little cutouts of ornaments on Amazon. And so we added them on every opposite corner and then throughout the tree for just a more festive look. Again, you can use your creative freedom here and let your little ones go wild decorating this fun little tree for their own little pictures during the holiday season. As always, like and subscribe for more and let us know in the comments if you like this project.